Now let's take a look at this figure 20-36. Also, it comes from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. But notice we're making two taps here in this illustration. And let's just review the illustration itself. Notice that we have an overcurrent device supplying a feeder, and we're tapping from that feeder to the primary side of that transformer. Then we're tapping off the secondary side of the transformer. So we're tapping from the feeder, and we're tapping off the secondary side of the transformer, and the total length from the tap from the feeder to where we terminate in the panel board, including the transformer, can be no more than 25 feet, as we are told in 240.21B3 and C5, which deals with B3 tapping from the feeder and C5 tapping from the transformer. Now notice we have a 480 volt primary and a 208 volt secondary. And with this information, we'll be able to make the tap on the primary side of the transformer and then the tap on the secondary side of the transformer. Now notice the overcurrent device on the secondary side in the panel board has to comply with 240.21B3, item 5, 408.36 mainly. And then, of course, we have a minimum size tap that would be selected for the primary from 240.21B3, item 2, where we make connections, and C5 of 240. So with that in mind now, let's go to the next video that we're going to have and do the calculation.